This is a little bare-eyed cockatoo, or a little Corella, and he is available currently. Today is June 10th. If you want more, if you have any questions, give us a call. This little noise goes away when they get older. Right now, I think he's starving, but he just had a breakfast. My sister's in the background there. She's already found him. These are some baby cockatiels that we have. The two normals are available. The Lutino and the Heavy Tide, those have been sold. But we are taking deposits on the other ones, so it's payments on the others. Give us a call for more information. These are great first birds. Our little Tinmeh African Greys. Right now they are both available. We're waiting on their DNA sexing. These are going to be a little bit darker gray with a burgundy tail, a little bit smaller. They will talk, not quite as much as the Congos, but a great pet. They tend to be a little more playful, a little more easygoing. So that's very cute. Some baby pineapple green cheek Conures. And you can tell by their coloration. They're also a cinnamon yellow-sided, but most commonly they're called pineapple. We're waiting on their DNA sexing. They are currently available. One is sold. Not sure which one at the moment. But they are going to be all very similar in color. So again, these are little pineapple green cheek Conures. Very cute. These are baby yellow nape Amazons. We are waiting on their DNA sexings. We do have a deposit on one if it's a male. Again, if you have any questions about these guys, give us a call. It's 972-492-0841. These are one of your best talking Amazons. You'll commonly see them singing and dancing and performing in public. A little sun conure, and he is weaned and ready to go. This guy's going to lose most of his green and get all vibrant yellows and oranges. As he gets older, it takes about a year for that to come in. It's very cute. These are some little hand-fed English Budgies. These are great for children and a good little pet. And then just in case you didn't know, just a little factoid about Budgies. In the Guinness Book of World Record for the bird that talks the most, it is a budgie, and it had an over 1,500 word vocabulary. Anyways, these guys are cute. They're going to be much bigger than your American parakeets, a lot calmer, and these guys are handled every day.